So you've registered for our summer reading program. Now what? This video will show you how to participate in our adult summer reading program. First, navigate to the Cedar Grove Library Beanstack webpage. Enter cedargrovenj.beanstack.org. Click Sign in the upper right corner. Sign in using your email or your username and enter your password and click Sign in. If you have more than one reader on your account, make sure the correct reader is highlighted in the upper left corner. This first page gives a general description of our adult summer reading program. You can click here to download an outline of how the program works. Each week, from June 26th through August 14th, you can earn up to 3 badges. 1 badge for reading and logging 1 book, 1 badge for reading and logging 3 books, and 1 badge for submitting a book review. At the end of each week, everyone who earned a badge during that week will be entered into a prize drawing. The more badges you have entered, the greater your chance of winning. Now let's take a look at these tabs. The Challenge Badges tab will show you the challenge badges that you've won thus far. Logging badges are earned by reading. Review badges are earned by submitting book reviews. On the Earned Badges tab, you can see a summary of what badges you've earned thus far. And the Challenge Log provides a record of all of your logging sessions. Now, let's log some reading. Click Log Reading and Activities in the upper left corner. Make sure the correct profile is highlighted. Adults log by books. Select the date that you read. Select how many books were read. Enter a title and an author. You can add a review now or add it later. We're going to add a review now, so click Yes and then click Log. We've earned our first badge by logging 1 book this week. Now let's write our review. When we're done writing our review, click Save. Now we've earned our second badge this week by submitting 1 book review. That's 2 chances of winning this week's raffle. Let's close out. Now, on our challenge log, we can see the reading that we logged today. If we click on Logging Badges, we can see our logging badge that we earned today, and the same for review badges. Let's say we didn't have time to log our review at the same time as our book. We can always add it later by going to the upper left corner and clicking Add a Review. Enter the title, the author, and a review. When you're done, click Save. And that's it. We hope that you enjoy this summer's summer reading program for adults. Please feel free to contact us with any questions. Happy reading and good luck.